Hey, Wise One. Welcome to the Wise Ones channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more interesting stories. Thanks for supporting. Once upon a time, there was a man named René Descartes. René was a philosopher who wanted to figure out what he could know for sure. He thought that maybe he could know for sure that he existed, but how could he prove it? One day, René had an idea. He thought that maybe he could prove he existed by thinking. If he could think, then he must exist, right? So, he came up with a famous saying, "I think, therefore I am." René was so excited about his idea that he wrote it down in a book. He hoped that other people would read it and understand how important it was. But not everyone was convinced. Some people thought that René's idea was silly. They said, "Of course you exist. Why do you need to prove it?" René was disappointed. He thought that his idea was really important, but no one else seemed to care. However, he didn't give up. He kept thinking about what he could know for sure. Eventually, René came up with more ideas about what he could know for sure. He believed that he could know for sure that math was true, and that God existed. René's ideas were so important that people still talk about them today. "I think, therefore I am," is one of the most famous sayings in philosophy. It reminds us that we can know for sure that we exist, even if we can't know for sure about anything else. So the next time you're feeling unsure about something, remember René Descartes. He was a philosopher who wanted to know what he could know for sure. And he came up with some pretty cool ideas along the way. Don't forget to show some support for more videos. Thank you.